What's going on, everybody? Happy Friday. Just wanted to bring a quick video. Well, maybe not quick, but a halfway short video covering Sphynx Labs. Many of y'all may have heard me talking about Sphynx Labs over the past month or two. Solid project. I love what these guys are doing. Love the team, the mods, the community. Good group of people, man. Good group of people. They're family for sure to the NATO nation. So I just wanted to, a lot of people may have heard of Sphynx Labs, but a lot of people haven't yet. The DeFi space is huge. So I just wanted to do an overview, kind of briefly get into what they are doing, what they've accomplished, their future plans, and kind of showcase like some of the capability and the technology that they've recently released that is, in my opinion, a game changer in the DeFi space for onboarding new crypto investors with ease of access. So Sphynx Labs, they're pretty well known, man. They've been around since mid 2021 when they first launched. You can see here on their Twitter, they have a little over 35,000 followers on Twitter. And again, shout out to the team, man. Lonzo, he's the CEO. Love that guy. We have him on pretty much every Friday for an update AMA. Sometimes schedules are conflicting. We can't make it happen. But for the most part, we try and do a Friday video, a live stream to update the community on things that are going on, do some tutorials and stuff on their newly released DeFi app and things like that. So shout out to you, Lonzo. But yeah, guys, I'm going to jump over to their website and kind of just run through a few things here. All the links for their social media website and all that, link to download the app that they recently released, which is live on iOS and Android. So quickly we'll go through this here. Sphynx Labs is a revolutionary DeFi ecosystem, an all-in-one solution for trading, farming, staking, and holding. And that it is indeed. So Sphynx Labs, the next wonder of all chains. Sphynx is an all-in-one solution for trading, farming, staking, holding, and so much more. This includes a single platform with a consolidated wallet that'll always have a bird's eye view of our assets, dynamic charts, farms, and staking portals, meaning you'd never have to leave Sphynx. So they actually are building this one-stop shop, and it's on multiple chains, and I'm sure there will be more chains added in the future. So they have capabilities for swapping, farming, staking, Sphynx Labs Hub, launch on Sphynx Labs and get the help you need to get your project off the ground. So they literally have everything you need as a new project, from anything that you need as a new project to help get your project started, getting the contract put together, everything. So they have a token smart contract CertiK audit standard. They'll help projects build farming pools, staking pools, initial project exposure, including AMAs with Sphynx Labs and One Partner Lounge. So there's literally dedicated AMAs for these new projects to help gain traction and exposure to more people. And they're consistently doing these AMAs. I see them announcing them weekly, multiple times a week. So they'll help with the launch pad for pre-sale to raise the funds. They'll help develop the utility, subject to approval, obviously, depending on what the utility is. So for new projects, this is very, very helpful. I won't get into the Git book right now, but I recommend going to this website here and go through their Git book, go through everything, kind of get a feel for what all they're doing in detail. Always DYOR, not financial advice on any of this. I'm just covering it because I love the project, love the people, and I am bullish on what they are doing. Sphynx is building a revolutionary DeFi ecosystem like no other. They truly are. So Sphynx Papyrus charting allows you to chart, research, and place orders for any token on BSC, ETH, Polygon, or BitGert Brise network. Also Cronos. Cronos has been their newest addition, which I am really happy about. You can view charts for any token with liquidity in PancakeSwap, Uniswap, or Sphynx Swap with our charts, including the ability to read vital information such as liquidity, market cap, and order books. They have a lottery. The most important thing to note is that not all lottery rounds are equal. After every round, if nobody wins in one of the prize brackets, the unclaimed Sphynx for that bracket rolls over into the next round and are redistributed among the prize pools. There's cross-chain bridging, which is functional. You can place limit orders, stop losses. Obviously, we have the launch pad for the multiple networks. They're developing an NFT marketplace. And just to mention, again, this one chain, BitGert, the Bryce BitGert chain, maybe a lot of people have not heard of it. It's a newer blockchain. I really like it. I really need to start doing some more research and kind of showcase it and maybe get some people on from the Bryce BitGert team for an AMA would be absolutely amazing because they're building a pretty awesome blockchain. It's I'm very interested in what they're doing. So Launchpad, we'll get down here. So the Sphynx wallet, Sphynx multi-chain Web3 wallet, simplifies how wallets are managed. Sphynx wallet gives the user more functionality and features which reduce the chances of losing all of your funds with extra security add-ons to protect your investment. And of course, the mobile application, Sphynx Labs mobile app is completely changing the way DeFi is managed and traded. Users will be able to explore multiple DeFi protocols from one simple and easy to use application. Users will chart, stake, farm, enter pre-sales, stake NFTs, and bridge tokens all from one place across multiple chains. Users will be able to download the application through the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. And this is completely functional. You can download this. I have this downloaded on my phone, and it works very, very seamlessly. Like, this team has put in a lot of hard work, and they have delivered a phenomenal application, in my opinion. So I recommend, download it, just play around with it, see what you guys think about it. The ease access and everything. And it looks really clean too. We actually did a video a couple weeks ago, a live AMA, and kind of did a brief walkthrough on the live stream, going through the application on the live stream. And I just like everything about it, the coloring, just the layout and everything. It's very easy to read, very easy to use. Colors look really good on it and everything, which in my opinion is important because, you get on some apps and it's hard to see stuff if the coloring is not right. So I'm big on, being able to use and see everything very easily. So there's a total supply of 1 billion, 44% was pre-sale, 11% private sale, 7% swap LP, 15% is set aside for exchanges, 10% for team and marketing, 13% burn. The taxes are a 9% buy, it's 4% marketing, 4% development, 1% burn, and a 12% sell tax, 5% marketing, 5% development, 1% burn, 1% liquidity. Roadmap, I'll kind of just briefly go through this. So this was way back Q4 2021, which I mentioned earlier. They launched, mid 2021. So they have really just blew through a lot of this stuff. They even launched their own NFTs on each of these blockchains. The most recent one was the Chronos NFTs, which, by the way, are stakeable on their application. So you can earn tokens by staking the NFTs, which is amazing. And I am currently doing it myself. Phase 2, they're talking about the launch of the wallet, cross-chain network launch, Sphynx offerings, NFT launch. Phase 3, we've gone through all these already. It's awesome. They have delivered on this stuff. Sphynx lottery, further cross-chain support, top secret developments, get more venture capital. And speaking of that, to get more venture capital, let me hop over here real quick. Back in July, they actually did receive, I'll read this out. We are proud to announce that we have signed a financing commitment of $50 million with Gem Digital Limited. Gem invests in utility assets within the crypto space and will help to propel Sphynx into the future. The game has been changed. So venture capital, there's $50 million just within the past month or so. Very awesome. Congrats on that. I'll jump back over here. That's actually the, you can look at all the charts and everything through their website also. Everything you can do on the app is also functional on the website. The team is fully doxed. We've got Lonzo, CEO. He has a background working on listed clients on ASX, NZX, as well as S&P 500 as a senior risk audit manager at the big four firm, such as PwC and mid-tier firms, which has given him the wide range of experience across multiple levels of organizations. He has great passion for IT and cryptocurrency, is the fuel that drives him to bridge the current space to allow for mass adoption. And for those of you that have not heard Lonzo speak or in a space or on my channel and AMA and stuff, this guy is very passionate, very passionate. The community absolutely loves him. Doc is the COO. He is a lawyer specializing in business and IP. Then we also have Vinny, who's the CMO. He oversees the establishment of companies' advertising, branding strategy, and consumer engagement. And then we have Sphynx service reps. We have Lilith is a supervisor, excellent communication, conflict resolution, leadership skills. Lilith provides sterling attributes to his role as a supervisor for Sphynx Labs. He's in charge of the employees' daily performance, managing their workflow, clarifying the daily, weekly, monthly, and annual goals, preventing constructive feedback, and resolving internal challenges. And then we have Andres, project manager of Sphynx. He's in charge of the project's planning, budgeting, procurement, and implementation. He oversees all aspects of Sphynx Labs. So that pretty much goes through all that. And the Bryce Bitgert network, I'd mentioned that earlier, that I really need to start covering that more. Maybe do some AMAs and stuff like that would be really cool. Or even a live stream where we kind of go through what they're building with their blockchain. It is, Bryce Bitgert is their diamond partner for Sphynx Labs, and Sphynx Labs is the official Dex for the Bryce Bitgert network, which is a big accomplishment. Congrats on that also. And you get a list of some other partners that they have and everything here. So, yeah, guys, I really wanted to just do an overview of kind of what these guys are building and bringing to the table, what they've accomplished thus far, which is a enormous list that they've accomplished. It's absolutely unbelievable. Again, mentioned the app, very, very good app. I love this app. And again, none of this financial advice. Always do your own research. I'm just bringing projects to the table that I like, that I believe in. Personally, this is just my personal opinion. And just for you guys to see something different and see something new that you can check into, do some research on it. So, but I will leave it at that, guys. I appreciate every one of y'all. Appreciate the Sphynx team, community, everybody over at Sphynx. Very, very proud to have them as a channel sponsor on my channel, to help NATO Nation grow and succeed even more than it already has. So looking forward to speaking to Alonzo on our next AMA. But you guys have a great weekend. Enjoy your Friday afternoon, evening. You may be, if you're overseas, it's Saturday morning already. So enjoy the weekend. Love everybody. Smash the like and subscribe. Share the channel. Let's get NATO Nation growing. Let's get NATO Nation to 5,000 subscribers. Let's go, baby. We can do it. It's not going to take long. All right, guys. Peace.